Hi guys! Welcome back again to my video! So last time is ang topic na natin ay tungkol sa characteristics of living matter. And then the second is the molecules of life. So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang structures and properties of water. Na ang structures at ang properties ay may amazing properties siya at kung bakit nga ba posible ang buhay sa Earth. Kaya tara, alamin na natin! Hi guys! So ngayon ay i-discuss na natin ang tungkol sa structures and properties of water. So sa introduction is water or H2O is one of the most abundant and uniquely essential molecules on Earth. It is seemingly simple structures gives rise to extraordinary physical and chemical properties that make life possible. So the next slide is meron tayong number 1 which is the molecular structure. At the microscopic level, water's behavior is dictated by its geometry and the way its atoms share electrons. So, meron tayo ditong dalawang example, which is the chemical bonds. A single water molecule is composed of one oxygen atom covalently bonded to two hydrogen atoms. The next one is polarity. Oxygen is highly electronegative, meaning it has a strong pull on shared electrons. It drags the electrons away from the hydrogen, creating partial negative charge near the oxygen atom and partial positive charge near the hydrogen atoms. This uneven charge distribution makes water a polar molecule. The second one is the hydrogen bonding. Because of water molecules are polar, they act like tiny magnets. The positive hydrogen of one water molecule is electrostatically attracted to the negative oxygen end of a neighboring molecule. This attraction is called hydrogen bond, while a single hydrogen bond is much weaker than a covalent bond. Billions of them constantly forming, breaking, and reforming together give water its incredible structural integrity. So the next slide is meron tayong three key properties of water. So the first one is the cohesion and adhesion. The second is the high specific heat capacity. And the third one is the density anomaly and ice floats. So the first one is the cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion is a water molecules stick to each other. This high cohesiveness creates high surface tension, allowing insects like water striders to walk on water. The next second is the adhesion. Water molecule sticks to other surfaces. This allows water to climb upward against gravity through narrow tube like plants' root and veins, a phenomenon known as capillary action. The second one is high specific heat capacity. Water can absorb or release a massive amount of heat energy with only a minimal change in its own temperature. Why it matters? It acts a massive climate buffer for the planet, regulating global temperature and helps warm-blooded organisms maintain a stable internal body temperature. The third one or the last one is the density anomaly or ice floats. For most substances, the solid form is denser than the liquid form. Water is a rare exception. This causes the molecules to be further apart than they are in liquid form. Why it matters? Because ice is less dense than liquid water. It floats. This creates an insulating top layer on lakes and oceans, allowing aquatic life to survive underneath during freezing winters. So the last is the universal solvent. When we say the universal solvent, is it because of its polar nature? Water is highly effective at dissolving ionic compounds like salt, and other polar molecules is like sugar. The positive ends of water surround negative ions and the negative ends surround positive ions, breaking the substance down and suspending it in solution. Hi guys! So ayan, doon na nagtatapos sa ating video. Sana may natutunan kayo tungkol sa structures and properties of water. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Bye!